beautiful people? It's your girl, Chrissy M, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, you guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me. As you can see, I need a lot of work. I have this Tina Turner. Okay, you guys, it's a big day. I'm going back home to Ohio for the holidays, for Christmas. And I have an acting showcase today, you guys, because I'm still looking for an agent out there. I'm just saying, so if there are any agents out there, please give me a call or email me, or leave it something down below because I really need an agent. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna straighten his hair out, you guys. We're gonna get straight to the business. As you guys know, I took commercial acting classes. And so for this showcase, he throws showcases every month for theatrical and for commercial, you guys. And so he invites like 3 top agencies or agents from different agencies each month to come and do a showcase for all of his students, Now, at this showcase, we have an opportunity to be able to get selected, you know what I mean? Or possibly get an agent from there, get a call back or something. So it's very important to go to these types of things, especially if you're active in the commercial and you are looking for an agent. If you have an agent, kudos to you, but I don't. So I'm still looking, guys. So yeah, so today I'm actually prepping for that, you guys. And then when you go to the showcase, he wants you to bring 3 photos with your headshots and everything, and your resume. And yeah, you guys, it's super easy. It's nothing but a cold read, a Q&A, which Q&A I suck at, you guys, so I'm really praying that I do good today. Q&A, and then yeah, that's it, you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing it. Like I said, I need an agent, and I would like to find one as soon as possible. So all right, you guys, so 10 years later, and I have straightened my hair out. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started with the makeup really quick because I am on a time crunch. So I'm gonna do more of a natural look. I wanted to have a little chit chat too. With the new year fastly approaching, you guys. We all have resolutions, New Year's resolutions that we all have set, for each other and for ourselves. And it's really ideal and it's very key for us to follow through with what, resolution that we set. Because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to accomplish what you want to do with your life. So really want to be very, very successful this up 2019. There has been a lot of downfalls within these past 2 years, me moving to LA, and some things that has happened that I will share with you guys in a later video. Some things that you guys don't know about me that I've been keeping a secret, but I it's gonna be hard, but I'm going to have to tell you guys just the justification of it all. It's major, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. I'll be doing that before the end of the month. But you guys, it's so major and it's so ideal to keep whatever, goals that you have set for yourself. Let's set these goals, you guys, and punch it out. I know that I have goals for myself, just like I said, for being very successful with the YouTube and as well as acting in my fashion brand. You guys don't, or maybe know, I've mentioned it here and there. I've started my own brand back in Ohio, and I would like to really fully go throttle with that, my fashion line and my brand, you guys. So stay tuned with that. That's one of my goals that I plan on doing this year, to be financially free and not having to work so hardcore just to survive. Because I moved to LA, you guys, to live, not to survive, okay? So there's a difference there. If you're surviving, you're barely getting it through. You're barely going past. If you're living your dream, you're living whatever it is that you want to do, you are living and you are doing it to the fullest, you guys. So make sure that you're not surviving, but you're living, if that makes sense. So, yeah, I was in Target too the other day, you guys, and there was this little old lady. She was in there and she was the happiest lady, like super friendly. She was older, talking about her life and how she has money, and money isn't everything. It's just not everything. Some people have money and they're very selfish and they think that money makes the world go around, but it does not. It's being in a career, being in a situation that you love and that you enjoy doing. It's being able to be happy. Happiness is everything. Living life, being happy, having that fulfillment in your life, you guys, is everything. So she took the time out from her day or her life to serve us little cheese corn puffs, at Target. And I think that's amazing. She's very humble. She doesn't care about the money. And so we got to a point where we were in a conversation, and she told me that whatever it is that you're going through, it's going to be okay. You're going to make it through it. Whatever it is that you want to do it. Do not stop for anybody. You will make it. You are going to be successful. It may take some time, but you're going to do it. Like, God just puts people in your space at certain times when you are your weakest to build you back up. And I was going through something, and she doesn't know my story, she doesn't know anything, but she knows that I'm going through something. And it took from that moment to say, you're absolutely right. Nobody in that store really paid her any attention. She was still feeling everybody could walk by, oh yeah, whatever, no one is focused on her and how happy she was. But it took for me to stand there for about 10 minutes to listen to her story, to know who she was, to know who she is, for her to give me these words of encouragement. And I'm saying this to say, you guys, whatever it is that you want to do in your life, do it. Don't give a damn who cares about what you do, who's gonna say whatever. You need to do it, because at the end of the day, it's all about you and your happiness and nobody else. Give two fucks about somebody else. They can kick rocks to the left, if you know what I mean. But you guys need to stand up and do what you want to do and do what you need to do in your life. So I feel like everybody's here for a purpose. Everybody has a reason. If you're still on this earth, you have a reason, you have a purpose in life. So whatever it is that's your purpose, or whatever it is that drives you or motivates you, go and do it. For heaven's sakes, people. Moving it right along. guys, so I'm all done with my makeup, and I am ready to go, you guys. I have to get a start on my day. It's almost 1 p.m. here in Los Angeles, and I gotta get it poppin'. So I have to return my vehicle, my car back, my lease back, because I'm gonna be gone to Ohio for a while, you guys. And then I need to vacuum out the car, wash the car. I need to try to grab some stuff for my friend for Christmas, because I'm gonna be gone. I'm not gonna be able to see her, so I'm gonna try to crunch everything that I have to do all in one, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you check out my channel, period, all right? And then you guys subscribe to your girl's channel. This channel is about to be lit, okay? I mean, what's going on? And then click the bell on the side, you guys, so you are alerted when I upload new videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.